See, this is our material, the TIFFY one. TIFFY is a heat insulating and fire protecting material. So we can show you that it is 100% flame proof. It is a gas, we burn it. Now you can see that it is how it is 100% flame proof. See, we are directly putting it on a flame. No, it doesn't catch even the flame. At the same time, if I put it, hold it with my fingers, again it is heat proof as well. You can see like that. This much. Now, this is the camphor tablets which we are using, and put it on it and check whether it is how much support we can get out of it. This is supporting another material which we are using to support this, so that it can because it's a non-woven material which I am using, so that none of the it can support the TIFFY, because TIFFY do have certain pores into that, right? So to support it, we are putting it here, and now we bring this camphor, we call it the kapoor, which we use in Havan and Puja. This is the camphor which we are using. You can see. Now we are putting it here and covering it up from another layer. Now holding it, with this small chimta, now putting it on the flame. We will keep this on this flame till the time we find this camphor is either completely evaporated or after 5 minutes, whatever is early. Now see, it is a thermometer which can show the temperature up to 300 degrees centigrade, starting from minus 50 degrees centigrade to 300 degrees centigrade. It is here written. Right now the temperature of the kitchen is 35 degrees centigrade. See what the temperature over here. "47, 54, 55, 56, 57, 60, 65, 66, 70, 73, 74, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, I am holding it here. It is 100% cool at this place even. Means it is 100% heat, non-conductive. You can see. See, from here I can catch it. I can hold it. See, I am holding it from here. The temperature on this layer is 82. Even lesser on the upper top, 79, reducing, 78, 77, 6, 74, 73. The temperature on the upper top is lesser than compared to the whatever it is on the downside. Downside is the 100% flame of LPG gas. 72, See, the temperature what I am quoting is here 72, 71, 70. Wonderful. 69, 68, 67. The temperature on the top is really under command. 66. Though the temperature is regularly given from the bottom, the lower side, the temperature should increase from the on the upper top. 67. Now this time is almost around 5 minutes approaching, and the temperature on the top is around 67 degrees centigrade with the support of Tiffy. Now can you imagine that it's neither catching the fire nor heat is conducting from lower surface to the upper. At the same time, if I hold this Tiffy from other end, I am very much able to hold it because it is a heat non-conductive material. But otherwise, if it is being heat conductive, I may not be able to hold it from its either end. Now it's time, 5 minutes time over. Now see what's the shape of the camphor. I am removing it, and the temperature, uppermost temperature, the temperature on the uppermost layer is around, right now it's 75 degrees centigrade after 5 minutes time. I am removing this thermometer. Now putting off this gas. Now checking the camphor position. I am removing this material aside. See the camphor, the 100% safe. You can see, though the it got heat up to a bit. See, I can put my fingers. I'm putting it here, and see, nothing has happened to this. Nothing has happened to this. Everything is same. This is the material Tiffy which we use to support the camphor. While if I put this camphor on direct flame, see what it may shown as a characteristic. You know that it catches flame just like this is the camphor. Right, this was the camphor which we used. Right, while we put it on flame, it directly catches the fire. Now I will show you, if I put it on a heat plate, how does it behave. See, it's a steel plate. I'm putting it on the top, getting it up, heat up. I'm taking it here, putting it on the top. Now see, it catches the fire and start to burn automatically. This is the way. If we use Tiffy material, it may protect lots of materials, important materials, documents, and can even save the spread of the fire if we put inside the walls and the roofs of the houses, whatever we are manufacturing in current scenarios. And if we use the protective gears, with the help of with the this TIFI, then lots of lives can be saved. Thanks for from Team Secure Fire. Thank you.